Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are well and very good. Today we are going to learn 10 magical words which are included in good manners. It can also help you for speaking English. Let's start our video. First word is thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. May I go? May I go? Please. Please. Do not worry. Do not worry. Hello. Hello. Welcome. You're welcome. Congratulations. Congratulations. Pardon me. Pardon me. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Allah Hafiz till the next video.